So guys, we came out to give the seedlings a little watering and a little fresh air. This is their first day out. Normally, and all you, as you see me watering, you only need to water the bottom of the container. Normally, as soon as they poke their head, I normally go ahead on and water them. This one here, I didn't bring the bottom thing, so I'm making sure I don't be on the. Hey, little girl, stop it! I'm making sure I don't water the top because I actually forgot to bring their bottom. And you can tell they have good drainage because it's draining down underneath. This is my asparagus, and I've been wanting to plant that, but again, it comes with not knowing if you're going to be stationary. And by now, it would have been in the ground 2 years. I don't know what that. That's water. So this is the salad in a bowl, guys. That is going to get watered on top today. And I'm not too picky about watering on top because when it rains, will you stop? Put it down. Look. Say hi. Hi. Lana, say hi. She got fussed at, so she don't want to say nothing. Say hi, baby. Hi. Say we're watering the plants. We're watering the plants. Stop it, Lana. Girl, you just picking up stuff. So, I brought the girls out so we can water. They want to help, but sometimes they get a little antsy, as you guys know. And I don't want to, I'm not expecting to be out too long, and I'm not going to allow the seedlings to be out too long. I'm sorry, I had that camera right there. But long enough to soak up the water. This will be their feeding, their watering, as you can say. Here, BB, hold that. Here, Lana, hold this. Take it in the house. Okay. So, yeah. If you, once you start your seedlings inside, you can, go ahead, baby, take that in. Go put it on by the sink. It is hard videotaping with my little ones, but I love them. So, let's try this again. If you start your seeds on the inside, and again, once they germinate and you see them pop up, you can actually start hardening them off by bringing them outside for a few minutes a day. It doesn't have to be for a long time. It's a kind of overcast slightly. It's partly cloudy day. The sun is peeking in and out. But because this is their first time out, I will only have them out for probably about 15-20 minutes max. It's not much wind. We get occasional wind blow. We are expected some rain, I guess from that little system that's in the Gulf. Not much. So I decided to bring them out. And again, everything has germinated from the last time. So this, you can consider this like an update video of the seedlings. All the spinach have germinated. Everything is looking good. The kale, whew, I think I need to get them to Dad and the turnip. They need to go closer to the light. And I thought I had them super close. The mustard greens are doing good. The cabbage is doing good. And the lettuce salad in a bowl is doing good. Now, with my salad in a bowl, I have grown it outside and inside. Me too. So it doesn't matter. You can start it outside and take it inside. You can start it inside and take it outside. But it can be done. And it's just a way you can have salad all year long. I don't eat a lot of salad. I mean, I eat salad, but I don't eat it fast enough. So for me, growing it in a bowl has been a better fix for me versus having tons of lettuce in my garden. Look at this one. See? She gonna come on, go in the house, please. Go in the house. You're done. Go, baby. Y'all go. I'm coming. So again, well, we can get through it. So I'm gonna give them a few minutes to soak up the water. Sometime when that top is dry, it doesn't mean the bottom is dry, but you do want to make sure you have a good even um, moisture, on your seedlings. You don't want to over moist it and you don't want to under moist it. So after a while, I will check, and 9 times out of 10, I dump the rest of the water out. Um, it's not gonna hurt me to leave it in there. I mean, you would tell, like this one, you could tell the top is dry. You could tell when that water has soaked in there because that'll turn a dark color. So it may be just a slow suck up, I guess you can call it that. But anyway, guys, I hope this update on the seedlings, and again, these are my fall seedlings. They will not be going outside for planting until late August. Of course, Texas, we have a lot of heat and humidity, and some of these plants will not be ready to be out here battling that heat. But depending on the forecast, once it gets to the last week in August, if it looks like it's going to be pretty good. And I do have enough pots to up pot. And remember, all these will not be at my house. They will be divided between myself, my mom, and Chikalele. So it's just me and my husband. I will not overcrowd my beds for no reason, in exception of things that I really eat a lot of. Um, the mustard greens, the kale, the turnip greens, the collards. Of course, I will have abundance of those, spinach. Um, but I'm not gonna put more in my bed that I don't need because again, it's gonna go to waste. I don't want to have a feast for the bugs. You know, I just don't. So anyway, have a good day. So again, growing salad in a bowl, it's convenient for those that don't eat lettuce fast enough. Now, I don't have a big family at home. It's just me and my husband for the most part. Occasionally, Ray. But why grow a whole bed of lettuce and it's going to take me a while to eat it or end up having it for the bugs? So salad in a bowl has been, like I said, a good fix for me. Um, so we're going to give this time. You'll know when so yes, you can grow salad in a bowl all year long. You can also grow it, like I said, outside or inside, depending on the weather. It's a good way of you can kind of control your salad intake or as far as harvest. If you grow it in the house, you have less chance of bugs getting it. You don't have to do it in an actual bowl in that like mine's. You can actually, if you want to do it in a decent tray, as long as it's deep enough, that'll be fine. But it's a really source of how you say, production, and less waste, less bugs. And I mean, that's like one more space you can use for something else. um my greens, I would love for them to take, not this, I don't want to say take over, but I would plant more of them than plant salad. For someone else, it may be the other way around. It's your preference. But now you see the update on the seedlings, where they're at. Again, they have a nice amount of time before they have to go outside. um certain things will be able to come out a little earlier, but I'm gonna um push that time back as far as I can to give some of the other stuff that I do already have time to come out. Have a good day. I hope you like this video. Again, like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.